Hi, thanks for joining us. Today, we'll go through how to add an additional user to Workshop software. An additional user is required if you want to be able to log into two different computers at the same time. Please note, additional users of Workshop software will incur an additional charge of $19.99 plus tax per user per month. If you're a yearly subscriber, this will be calculated as a prorated rate based on the date you create a new user and when your subscription is due to renew. To add an additional user, you will need to have admin access to the software. Once you're logged in, click on the settings from the list of options down the left-hand menu bar to expand the settings menu. Then you'll want to click on User Setup/Maintenance. As you can see here, you have a list of current users of your software. Further below, you have a list of users for your mobile app. To add a new user, we'll go to the User section, click on the plus sign on the far right-hand side to add a new user. We'll now need to enter the details for this new user. With the group, you'll need to select what access level you want them to have. Today we'll set this up as admin so they have full access to the software. Next, for the status, select active. Enter in the name of the person that will be using this username and the email address that they will use to log in. You can choose if they want to have full access to the dashboard, which is the information that you see in Workshop software when you first log in, or you can show limited information. Then enter the password you want to set for them. You will need to have at least one capital letter and at least 8 characters long. Repeat the password that you've just set. And then click Save. The new user details will be active immediately upon saving. If you require any further information, you can access our user help guides at support.workshopsoftware.com. Thank you.